Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acid. As we have already discussed, right, acidic nature of any acid depends on its conjugate base stability, right. Similarly, acidic nature of carboxylic acid also depends on the stability of its conjugate base, that is carboxylate ion. Let us take benzoic acid over here. What is the benzoic acid? It's an example for aromatic carboxylic acid, right. Now we have acidic hydrogen over there. When the acid releases its proton, right, the remaining part is known as its conjugate base. This is the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. It's a benzoate ion. Benzoate ion. This is the conjugate base of the respective acid over there. Now, if stability of this particular benzoate ion increases, right, what happens? The acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acid also increases. For example, let us see a general data over here. It's first one is normal carboxylic acid. It's a normal aromatic carboxylic acid with electron withdrawing group, and the second one, third one is a carboxylic acid with the electron withdrawing group. Generally, we know the charge on the conjugate base is negative charge, right? Electron releasing group increases the charge. That's what happens. Stability of the acid. Acidic nature of acid decreases, right? Similarly, we have electron withdrawing group which pull the electrons towards themselves, right? Then what happens? Conjugate base stability increases, acidic nature increases. That's what we can say the relative acidic nature of the carboxylic acid of aromatic carboxylic acid is going to be 3 is greater than 1 is greater than 2. Why 2? It is having electron releasing group, right? Decreases the conjugate base stability. Similarly, let us see one more example over here. Now we have a general group, okay, at ortho position, meta position, and the para position, right? We doesn't know which group it is. Okay, let us assume this particular group is electron releasing group. Then what should be the acidic nature of the respective acids over there? Now if it is electron releasing group, what we think, generally they'll decrease the acidic nature of respective acids, right, because they'll increase the charge on the respective conjugate bases over there, right? We think like that. Okay, let us assume this is a plus same group or else plus same group. Okay, mesomeric effect we can see at the ortho and para positions. So that's what we may think that first one and the third one is the least acidic than that of comparatively the second one, but it is not the case. It is always, we have to remember that ortho substituted benzoic acid always be more stable. That's what more acidic. That's what the first one is, more acidic, followed by what is this one? It's a plus M group, right? Plus M group means what? Electron releasing group decreases the acidic nature, right? That's what at third position mesomeric effect can be seen over there. That's what third one is the least one. And what is the remaining thing? It's the second one. Let us assume these groups are electron withdrawing group means minus M group, right? If it is minus M group, what should be the acidic order over there? Generally, we think electron withdrawing groups means minus M groups will be shown at first and third position. Mesomeric effect will be more at the para position. That's what we may think the third one is the most acidic one, but it is not the thing over there. First one is most acidic, followed by the third one, followed by the second one. The one thing, the second and third one is a common thing over there, but something is there at the first position, right? What is this first position? This is ortho position, right? At ortho position something is there, whether it is electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group, it doesn't matter, but it's a more acidic, right? Yeah, it is not, it is because of the ortho effect. It is because of ortho effect. It is also known as steric inhibition of resonance. I'll tell you what is this mean. And now let us see what is ortho effect or else steric inhibition of resonance. We have already discussed that acidic nature of any acid depends on the stability of its conjugate base, right? This is the conjugate base of the aromatic what we call benzoic acid over there. Here what is happening? Now this is the benzoic acid, right? Now what happens? How it stabilizes? It is in conjugation with this double bond, right? The anion pi delocalization takes place readily. We know that particular part over here. But another way what we have to remember is that these two double bonds are also in conjugation. What happens here? Pi delocalization takes place. During pi delocalization, what happens? Yeah, we'll get these kind of structures, right? Because of this, what happens, charge is increasing and the aromaticity of the respective ring is also disappearing, right? Means what is happening, comparatively it is becoming more unstable. More unstable means what, it is going to be least acidic one, right? We have already discussed the acidic nature of any acid depends on its conjugate base stability, right? Now the conjugate base is highly unstable because of this particular conjugation. This particular conjugation is known as cross conjugation over here. Because of this cross conjugation, what happens, stability of the conjugate base decreases and the acidic nature also decreases, right? Now because of which we have already discussed that ortho substituted any groups increases the acidic nature. If any groups are located at this particular positions, right, any groups are located at this particular position, what they'll do is they'll restrict the resonance over there. That's what we are calling it as steric inhibition of resonance. As the size of the groups increases, what happens, the extents of the what happens, cross conjugation decreases, because of which we can call it as ortho substituted groups are ortho substituted benzoic acid always be more acidic one. That's what we can state a statement over here. What is this one here? Now we can say the presence of a substituent at the ortho position of aromatic acid increases the acidic character by steric inhibition of resonance. We have already discussed what is meant by steric inhibition of resonance. Based on this, let us see some of the examples over here. Now we know that -M group or electron withdrawing groups increases the acidic nature, electron releasing group decreases acidic nature, right? This is -M and -I group. Here we have only minus I nature over here. There is no plus M at the meta position, right? Generally what we think at the fourth one is the most acidic one, right? But according to ortho effect, ortho substituted one is to be more acidic one. That's what the second one is, more acidic one. Followed by which one? The fourth one, because here we can see the mesomeric effect and inductive effect both, right? That's what fourth one. And the third one, because it's a -I group, at least it decreases the increases the stability of the conjugate base, right? And followed by the first one, there is no groups over there like electron withdrawing group. Now let us see, ortho group is directly proportional to the size of the groups substituted at the ortho position. Now based on this statement, let us see these particular examples over there. Now all the substituents are at ortho positions, right? Ortho positions. Now these are all belongs to the same group, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. As we dive down, go to the group, right? What happens, size of the particular atom is going to be increases, right? From left to right, what is happening, size of the atom is increasing, that's what, size of the group is increasing, that's what, ortho effect is directly proportional to size of the groups over there. As size increases, what happens, ortho effect increases the acidic nature also, right? That's what the acidic nature is going to be. 4 is greater than 3 and 2 and 1. Now here what happens here, we may think that this is a +I group, groups. As +I nature increases, what happens, the stability of the conjugate base decreases, right? But here what do you have to remember, ortho effect, right? Ortho effect is directly proportional to the stability of the conjugate base, size of the group, right? As size increases, right, from 1 to 4, what is happening, size is gradually increasing. That's what the acidic nature is going to be. 4 is greater than 3 and 2 and 1. Now let us see these two examples over there. What we think, it's ortho effect, always we have to remember the size of the group. That's what this acidic nature, right? But it's absolutely wrong. Why it is wrong, let us see here. Okay, now what happens here, in this case what happens is that when the proton gets out, right, what happens, we'll get the conjugate base over there, COO minus and OH, right? Here at ortho position, what happens is that there is a formation of hydrogen bonding over there. But here there is no hydrogen bonding, because we have already discussed hydrogen must be attached with the particular oxygen, right? Here we have hydrogen, but there is no hydrogen in this second case over there. That's what, there is no hydrogen bonding. That's what, because of the hydrogen bonding, the comparatively the second conjugate base is more this conjugate base is more stable than that of the second one. That's what, the first one is more acidic than that of second one. This is what the acidic order in aromatic carboxylic acids. Thank you for watching.